Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kadek Suardama from Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. I will present my paper entitled Design Consideration for Ubiquitous Learning Environment. Recently, the concept of learning can be approached using constructivism paradigm. Constructivism understanding of learning state that learning is the result of its own construction of student as a result of its interaction with the learning environment. Based on the paradigm of constructivism about learning, the principle of mediated instruction occupies a strategic position in order to realize learning even optimally. In the past, information technology products such as mobile phone, electronic device, or gadget, cloud computing, wireless network, etc. had become the main promoter and accelerator of the application of the concept of mobile learning. Previous research show that mobile learning can increase student participation and achievement and help them learn, but other research found some problem that arise from the application of online learning or mobile learning, such as alienating students from the real world, the difficulty of students focusing on learning goals, giving students opportunities to spend their learning time with entertainment, to the problem of increasing the cognitive load of students. Ubiquitous learning as a continuation of the evolution of electronic learning and mobile learning other than just the latest educational idea or method, where a system can accommodate students and their learning style by providing adequate information anytime, anywhere based on their characteristic needs and desire to improve academic performance and productivity. This paper describes design consideration for ubiquitous learning environment. To design a ubiquitous learning environment, some of the main concepts that need to be understood are: 1. The emergence of a ubiquitous learning concept. 2. Characteristic and principle of ubiquitous learning. 3. Development of ubiquitous learning system with learning management system, including mobile device as tool in ubiquitous learning, resource and activities in Moodle learning management system, and program mapping of ubiquitous learning. The emergence of the concept of ubiquitous learning can be visualized in the following figure. Learning occurs not only in classroom, but at home, workplace, playground, library, museum, and nature, and in our daily interaction with other people facilitated by learning management system. Ubiquitous learning can involve more than just using a mobile device to deliver content on or even to make content accessible, but involves the continuation maintenance of the relationship between learner and instructor, human or system, mediated by a large number of devices acting on the right situation. Not haggling any device as a center of learning technology, mobile devices are embedded, integrated in the user situation or context. Through individual exploration of various learning material or resource available in a broad environment independently using learning management system. If in traditional learning, students are tied to place, students have to go to campus, to the library, other learning resources. It has not been seen what time they open and close. With ubiquitous learning, these learning resources are only one click away from us. There are many characteristics and principles of ubiquitous learning, including permanency, mean information remain unless the lecturer deliberately delete it. Unlike in traditional learning, students can lose their material. Only students who are diligent in the taking notes do not lose material. Students who are lazy will lose material. In ubiquitous learning activities and learning resources are stored in the directory or learning management server. Accessibility means information is always available whenever student need to use it. It can be accessed whenever student want via mobile phone. Immediacy means information can be retrieved immediately by student without having to wait. In traditional learning, students sometimes wait to get an explanation from the lecture. Interactivity means students can interact with peers, teacher, and expert both synchronous and asynchronous. Contact-aware means a container of 10 contexts, namely personal contact, touch contact, device contact, social contact, spatio-temporal contact, environmental contact, user interface, infrastructure, strategy contact, and historical contact. And then about development of ubiquitous learning system with Moodle learning management system. Can see at the table. Next. Development of ubiquitous learning system with Moodle learning management system. There are resources and activities in Moodle learning management system. Moodle is an open source software that supports the implementation of online learning with an integrated paradigm where various learning support features can easily be accommodated in an online learning portal. Moodle online learning system can be modified as needed. Research has proven that the use of Moodle LMS can enhance learning outside the classroom and has a positive influence on student thinking and innovation skill. Moodle LMS has not a lot of features that can be used to support the application of ubiquitous learning. Course on Moodle are area where a lecturer will add a resource and activity to be completed by student. Resource and activity in activity provided on Moodle are presented at the table. Next, about program mapping. To make the ubiquitous learning course, it is necessary to prepare learning material in digital format. Learning material can be in the form of document, presentation, image, video, sound, and animation. These files need to be organized in such a way a program mapping so that they are easy to find and use when developing ubiquitous learning system. Program mapping is a table that contains learning material for one semester, where in each element there is a link that is connected to the complete material. Thank you and good morning.